Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Ford F-150 Lift Kit is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can give your truck, instantly enhancing its aggressive stance and off-road prowess, allowing for larger tires and improved ground clearance for tackling tougher terrains and making a bold statement on the road. This isn't just about looks, it's about unlocking your F-150's full potential for adventure and capability, ensuring it stands out from the crowd while performing at its peak, whether you're navigating city streets or venturing off the beaten path. Number 5. Rough Country 2 Leveling Kit for Ford F-150 and Raptor. Instantly eliminate that factory nose-down rake on your F-150. Achieve a sleek, aggressive stance perfect for running up to 33-inch tires. Built from a heavy-duty proprietary composite, these strut spacers will never rust or corrode. They ensure long-lasting performance in any weather condition. Enjoy smooth handling while gaining the extra height you need. This provides improved clearance for off-road adventures and obstacles. Driver and passenger-specific spacers ensure proper clearance and install easily with common tools. No strut disassembly, cutting, or drilling is required. Please note this kit is not compatible with certain Raptor models, 7-lug HD payload models, Tremor, or trucks with CCD suspension. What we like. This kit offers a quick and easy way to level your truck and fit larger tires. Its durable, rust-proof construction ensures longevity. If you're looking for a straightforward upgrade to improve your F-150 stance and accommodate bigger tires without extensive modifications, this is a great choice. What people say. This leveling kit fits the 2013 F-150 XLT 5.0 Super Crew short bed. It's the best 2-inch leveling option I've found because the leveling kit spacer includes extra alignment holes that match up perfectly with the strut tower frame. Works as intended and looks great. 2014 F-150 4-door 8-feet bed. I have 265/65 R18 on and this gave me about 3 inches lift for the front. There is no rake, both fenders measure out the same. Number 4. Torque Air Suspension Kit for Ford F-150. Introducing the Torque Air Suspension Kit, designed to enhance your 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150's capabilities. This kit is a direct replacement for Firestone Ride Right 2582, offering superior load support. Experience a hassle-free installation with our bolt-on design. No frame drilling is required, and all necessary hardware and a step-by-step manual are included for a DIY-friendly setup. This kit is engineered to significantly increase your vehicle's safe load carrying capacity and improve overall stability. Adjust air pressure to match your specific hauling needs. Enjoy a smoother ride by reducing interleaf friction and softening contact between the axle and frame. You'll also benefit from improved steering control and braking effectiveness. Everything you need is in a box: 2 airbags, all mounting brackets, hardware, inflation valves, fittings, tubing, and a detailed installation manual. This kit is designed for 2WD and 4WD 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 models. Please note it is not compatible with models featuring leveling arms or continuously controlled damping, CCD, systems. What we like. This system is designed to significantly improve your towing and hauling experience by providing adjustable support for heavy loads. It enhances stability and ride quality when your truck is under strain. If you frequently tow trailers or carry heavy payloads and want to maintain a comfortable and controlled ride, this rear helper spring kit is ideal for you. What people say. The lift kit is a great addition for off-roading, providing excellent ground clearance and stability on uneven terrain. Installation was straightforward, and the kit included all necessary hardware for a secure fit, enhancing the truck's stance and capability. The upgraded suspension components offer a smoother ride quality, even with larger tires, and improve handling during towing. Number 3. 2 to 4 lift upper control arms for Ford F-150. Enhance your truck's look with these eye-catching red control arms. They not only add style but also include extra ball joints for convenience. Please note potential tire rub with certain wheel offsets and check model compatibility. Designed for a 2 to 4 inch lift, these control arms ensure proper alignment and geometry. Experience improved handling and stability for all your adventures. These come with pre-installed greasable ball joints and an extra pair. Easy maintenance ensures long-lasting performance and durability against dust and dirt. Upgrade to high-performance polyurethane bushings for superior wear resistance. Enjoy better handling and a more responsive, controlled ride. These are designed as a direct replacement for your factory arms. Installation is straightforward with all necessary hardware included for a quick upgrade. Enjoy peace of mind with easily serviceable components and a comprehensive warranty. The tubular arms are covered for 10 years, and bushings ball joints for 2 years. What we like. These control arms are built to optimize suspension geometry for a 2 to 4 inch lift, ensuring better handling and alignment. They feature greasable ball joints for easy maintenance and a stylish red finish. If you're aiming for a moderate lift and prioritize long-term performance with the ability to service key components, these control arms are a solid option. What people say. These are very well-built fabricated control arms. The welds are professional quality. The ball joints are greasable, which is a huge bonus to me. These corrected the alignment geometry for my 3-lifted 2014 Z71. The textured powder coat is a very nice touch as well as the ball joint zero cap. These UCAS are top-notch. Quality welds, quality materials, good paint, and you get extra ball joints. Number 2. Dynofit Lift Kit for F150. Introducing the Dynofit Lift Kit, designed to give your F150 the perfect level stance. This kit is engineered for 2004 to 2020 models, both 2WD and 4WD. Our front strut spacers and rear lift blocks are crafted from high-strength 6061 T6 aircraft-grade aluminum. They are precision CNC machined for an exact fit and maximum durability. Experience the difference with our exclusive patented rear lift block. Its innovative design provides superior support and reduces weight compared to traditional materials. This kit corrects your truck's nose-down stance, increasing ground clearance for off-road adventures or a more aggressive look. It also allows for the installation of larger tires. The kit comes complete with high-grade 10.9 bolts, extended U-bolts, and thicker washers. Angled lift blocks ensure proper driveline geometry for a smooth ride. We stand behind our product with the Dynofit promise. We offer prompt support for any quality or installation concerns you may have. What we like. This kit provides a balanced, level lift using high-strength, lightweight aluminum components for both the front and rear. The unique rear block design offers enhanced durability and reduced weight. If you want a complete leveling solution that combines robust materials with an innovative design for improved performance and a more aggressive look, this kit is a compelling choice. What people say. These parts are not some injection molded plastic or some cast crap, they are precision extruded with grade 8 hardware. Raised front fender, center, from 37.5 inch to 39.5 off the ground. Back is still 40 inch, so I did not install the rear blocks. Has the level look I want. The 3 inches front and 2 inches rear lift is perfect. For less than $100, it gave my truck a completely new look. Number 1. Rough Country 6 Lift Kit, Ford F150 Bronco. Gain essential underbody space to confidently tackle rocks, ruts, and rugged trails. This kit provides the clearance you need for serious off-roading. Say goodbye to the factory rake. Enjoy a balanced and aggressive front-to-rear profile that enhances its overall appearance. Equipped with Rough Country N3 shocks, it delivers smoother performance whether you're on the pavement or exploring off-road. Clearance for up to 35-inch tires is now possible. This allows for a tougher look and significantly improved trail capability. Engineered to elevate your off-road experience. Expect improved handling, enhanced durability, and superior trail performance. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides a substantial 6-inch lift, significantly increasing ground clearance and allowing for the fitment of large 35-inch tires. It also includes upgraded shocks for improved ride quality on challenging terrain. If your goal is to achieve an aggressive stance and maximize off-road capability for tackling serious trails, this is the kit you'll want to consider. What people say. Kit seems high quality and durable. The lift kit is great and as described, mostly. This lift has held up to 14,000 hauled at over 120 miles. My truck is constantly at a mud hole or hauling heavy loads between 100-1400 and this lift has yet to give me an issues. The shocks are still working great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.